You're nasty. That's nasty. That's nasty. See, I'm not your dad, bro, and I shouldn't be having to tell you this, but I kind of have to step in here because the truth is there's 6 areas on a man's body that most men neglect when it comes to their grooming routine, and we're just not going to have it. We're not going to have it for the new year, so let's hop into this. Number 1, the middle and the top of your eyebrows. This you cannot neglect. See, one thing that you need to know, which is the overarching, keeping your eyebrows thick increases your sex appeal. That dark contrast against your skin complexion is a masculine trait that women love. But that doesn't mean you have to let them just grow crazy. You have to keep them clean. So to do this properly, you want to first plug the middle of your eyebrows. There should be no hair there whatsoever. Then you want to grab a small brush and brush your eyebrows upwards, and with the small scissors, cut any really excessively long hairs. After you do that, you can brush your eyebrows back, and then any hairs that are on the top that are outside the natural brow shape, you should remove. Now you have a clean, thick eyebrow that looks attractive. You want to do a quick test to know if you got terrible hygiene? Grab your finger, go right back here, and just go hard. Do it for like 10 seconds. Pull it back. If you see any sort of dirt, any like little black thing there, that actually is dirt and dead skin cells that have accumulated in the back of the ear because you are not scrubbing properly in these areas. You probably smelled it. It smells bad. Bro, think about this. When you're getting hot and heavy with a girl, this neck and ear area are 2 areas men almost never scrub down. And these are highly sexual areas. When you're making out, she's playing with your ear. Her mouth is all over that. Her mouth is all over your neck. What happens when it smells like crap or it's black back there? My guy, you need to be cleaning and scrubbing down these areas, and then when you do, you want to seal it off with a good fragrance. Apply a sexy fragrance because that's going to seal the deal. Not only are you hygienic, now you're adding that little extra oomph, which lets girls know like, this guy's clean. And you already know Santa Lucia has the fragrances that you need to make women come close, like actually legit come closer. See, our fragrance Come Closer was designed for just that. We wanted a powerful, sexy, intensive fragrance that made women come closer to you. Our second popular, which is To Conquering, this is a no-brainer. Now, don't ask me why. I ran multiple tests. I asked women which one was their favorite, and while Come Closer, they always loved To Conquering. To Conquering always stood out. Women always loved that fragrance. Now, when I designed To Conquering, my mentality was I wanted you to feel like the man. I wanted you, when you sprayed that, you felt like the boss. Now, I guess because that messaging is coming across so well, women love dominant men. And it makes sense why they love that fragrance. It's so powerful. It 10x's your confidence. Boys, if you want a good fragrance, you know where to look. With Santa Lucia, all our fragrances are handmade in France. This is the fragrance capital of the world, using the best oils in the world and the highest concentration. We use a 21% oil concentration, which technically makes it a parfum, which also means it's going to be long lasting. This is a fragrance that's going to last you all day, keeping you smelling sexy. If you guys want to check out our fragrances from Santa Lucia, they're going to be linked down below. Number 3, your nose hair. It has to be tickling your mustache. It got to be uncomfortable on yourself, not to mention on other people looking at you, seeing that little sucker come in and out every time you breathe. See, after 23, for whatever reason, those nose hairs just start getting extra long, and the only solution, you gotta invest in a nose trimmer. And you wanna hit that at least once a week. Make sure no nose hairs should be visible on the exterior of your nose. Number 4, it's your fingernail. You need to know that clipping your nails once a month, that ain't enough. And your hands and nails are so visible because this is what you use to express yourself. This is what you use to talk. This is what you use to meet and greet new people. And, you use it for other things too if you get lucky. And the truth is, because of all this, this is the one area that's the worst for men to neglect. Look, I'm not telling you to go get a manicure, which if you want to, that makes your life easier. But if you don't got the money for that, buy a manicure kit. There's manly ones that you can buy if you want something that's sexy. But the point is, this is going to help you clip your nails regularly. You also want to remove any cuticles or hangnails, and more importantly, remove any dirt. There shouldn't be any dirt underneath your fingernails because I promise you, no girl's going to ever want you to touch her. 5, your balls. Let's be honest here. Go to your bathroom cabinet. Do you have a ball deodorant? No, you don't. No, you don't. Here's the truth. See, You use a deodorant on your armpits. Why? Because it sweats and it smells bad down there. The exact same thing happens to your balls. It's moist, it's dark, it's hot, it's wet in there, and of course, it smells like battery acid and BO. Why wouldn't you want it to smell like sandalwood? Bro, come on. You need to be applying a deodorant. One, it feels amazing, all right? It's a nice cooling sensation that happens down there. You feel great all day. And then two, when the pants come off, sandalwood. And finally, number 6, it's your elbow. Bro, those things are crusty. Those things are dark. They are ashy. No, the area around your elbows should not be darker than the surrounding skin. If you actually scrubbed and cleaned there frequently, that area would be around the same color of the rest of your skin. All that is actual dirt buildup. So on top of scrubbing there daily, you want to then hit it with some lotion because ashy elbows, it just doesn't look good. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out Santa Lucia if you want powerful fragrances that are going to make you smell good. You already know what to do. Click that link down below. That's it for me today. See you next time.